Hello everybody, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you how I preserve natural flowers and put them in this frame, in this shadow box. So first, I will be placing these flowers into a container. And as you can see, they have silica gel. And I will also add silica drying gel into the top of the flowers. And I will close the container, and just leave them there for about 3 days or more. And this is the shadow box I will be using. It's a small shadow box, so you get the size depending on the project that you're working on. This shadow box, I got it from Michaels, as well as the silica powder gel. So this project that I'm working here is flowers. It's a flower bouquet that I used on my sister's wedding. I was her bridesmaid, and I just preserved the flowers, and I wanted to make her a little gift for this Christmas. So I'm working on this project, and hopefully she likes it, and I hope she doesn't see this video before I give it to her. And I don't know if you noticed, but the flowers, some of the flowers were drying a little bit because I waited too long to start working on this project. But the sooner you start working on it, I think is better, so that you can preserve the color and the beauty of the flower. So this is where I will be gluing all the flowers, and it's just like a canvas. So I'm just going to glue them and then place them in the shadow box. And there's different ideas you can do. One of the ideas I had in the beginning was by gluing the wedding invitation and then just adding the roses all around it. But because it's a very small shadow box, I don't think it's gonna fit. So I'm just gonna do it this way, and I don't know if I'm gonna add their names on just on the glass of the shadow box or just leave it as it is. I do have a Cricut Maker, and I can just use with the vinyl, I can just put the names on top or just leave it as it is so they can use it as a decoration for their home. I don't know. So I'm still debating on that. So I'm just taking out the flowers from this container, and they're very delicate because they're dry. So you have to be very careful when you're removing them out of this container bin. And this is my first time making this, so it's not going to be perfect. And I know that this silica gel, you can still save it and use it for another project. So I'm just trying to get rid of the powder by using this brush and just shaking it off. And even when I finished making this, I noticed there was a little bit of powder. So I might open the shadow box and just clean it up a little bit before giving it to her. So here are the flowers. They're all out of the container. And now I'm going to glue them into this canvas. You can get creative and do whatever design you want to make. So one thing I did before gluing the flowers is I just try to play with it and before gluing them into the canvas. I also want to take the time to say thank you to other subscribers, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos and let me know in the comments what other projects you would like to see. or if you have done this before. If you have any tips or any recommendations, just let me know. So here I glued all the flowers, and like I said, I waited too long to preserve them, so they're a little bit brown, but you can still see the roses. And this is a good project if you would like to preserve a special bouquet. I really recommend you doing this or giving it as a gift to someone. And then just close it, very secure. And like I said, I will probably open it again and just clean the inside again, because I did notice a little bit of powder fell out when I closed it. And I'm still undecided if I'm gonna add their names on the front of the glass. Let me know in the comments if you think it's a good idea to add the names or just leave it as it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.